And once I open it up, I'm gonna put these ingredients right here. You see the beef stock, some red tomatoes. It's already pre-cooked tomatoes, and some of this chipotle. But I'm gonna dice this chipotle. And I'm gonna put it here. You can see how nice this is. I'll stir it up a little bit. Remember, this is in medium heat. Okay? Medium heat. See how that is, right? I'm gonna turn this off like that. Alright? You see the potatoes are mixed up real good, right? Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add the beef stock. Choose any brand you want, but this is a good brand. You just add it in there.